Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a project share for you. And this time I've created another bag, but this one is a shabby pink and vintagey chic bag. That's what we'll call it. Shabby pink and vintagey chic. I wanted to do a shabby bag for those of you that do like shabby instead of gypsy or boho, so this is what I came up with. And I will give you the measurements. And this one is a little different than my other two bags. I drafted a different pattern for this one. The gypsy bag and the boho bag that I did with the saris, the top piece here for the flap of the saddlebag was a separate piece. This one I did one big piece, and I wanted to see which pattern I liked better, so I'm still not sure which one I like better. They both worked, so you know, but this is a little different. It's a slightly smaller bag, but so basically the bag from the top to, well, the bottom of the dangles is nearly 14 inches. The bag itself is about 8 inches, I guess, and about 10 inches this way. The flap, I guess, would be what, 7 inches with the frills. So, you know, it's a good roomy bag still. Here is the strap. I made the strap a little bit more delicate looking. I used this really pretty fabric. Of course you can't see it because it's just on the strap, but I used this really pretty, beautiful fabric. I just love this, and it's a Michael Miller fabric, so I love it. It's a cotton, but the colors were just so beautiful, and that's what attracted me to it. It's got the vintagey leaves in the background, but it's also got the pretty pinks and a little touch of blue, so I just loved it. And here's the back. As you can see, I finished it off with this really pretty trim here, and then this piece here is from a vintage wedding dress on the bottom, so it's definitely got some vintageness to it. Sorry, there's some threads there. And then the front, I used lots of trims and dangles here, as you can see. Beautiful, gorgeous pink dangle trim here. I love this pink dangle trim, and there is some fringe and dangles, and then a small dangle, and then this beautiful crochet trim, which is from England, and this lace actually is from the same people who made Princess Diana and Kate Middleton's wedding dresses. They're the oldest lace factory in England, and that is where this lace came from. And what I did with it was I took some vintage pearls and I sewed it in between the gathers all the way along here. So that's a little sort of unique information about this bag. I added one of my beads here that I made, and this one's pink and white and gold, and it's got some really pretty little angel wings on it. And then these two pieces Helen Lockwood sent me, and I just thought they made the cutest little shabby dangles on the front of this bag. Also, this doily came from Helen Lockwood as well. Hey Helen. And I put this behind this flower that I made with some lace and then some satin and a little flower trim there, which is from my friend Patrizia, who is Pat S on YouTube. Hey Patrizia. So that is some of the lace that she sent me for my doily challenge. And then I added these beautiful appliques and some more laces here in a lovely pink, and it's got roses on it, and then a cream color there. So that is basically the front of the bag, and like I said, this is the strap. It's extra long, so it is a crossbody bag, and there's a stray thread I have to cut. But and I just used this delicate little pink lace on top of the strap. So the strap is very, very sturdy. There's no way that it's coming apart or coming off. Everything is serged on my serger, so it's very well put together. Now here on the inside, as you can see, is more of that beautiful fabric. I created some handmade flowers down here in the corner, This one is velvet, and this is pink satin and a champagne colored satin. And then I've got more of this same lace here up here from England. And then this trim here I got from my friend Olivia. Hi Olivia. As this one here. It's a beautiful almost knitted sort of gimp trim. I love it. This doily here is from Wendy, and this is from Helen Lockwood. And then a lovely little loopy flower here. And oh, Wendy is Wendy Hatfield on YouTube. Hey Wendy. And more of this beautiful lace, same down here. So it's got 3 areas where I've used that beautiful lace from England. And the inside is completely lined with muslin. As you can see, it's all finished off. And like I said, this is all one piece this time, so I actually did the bottom, flipped it up, and then just cut the oval shape for the saddlebags for it to flip over. So that's why this is all one piece this time and not 2. So I don't know, I might like this pattern better. We'll have to see when I make my next one which way I go, but I'm very happy with how this came out. This will be in my Zibbit store, so I hope you will go over and check it out. If you are interested, of course, you can always just message me if you have any questions. But it will be for sale in my Zibbit, and I hope that you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care, everybody, and the link to purchase this will be in the description box below. Bye-bye.